왔어. 아이고. 일로 와봐. 엄마랑 얘기 좀 하자. 일로 와봐. 앉아봐. 앉아봐. 엄마랑 누나랑 갔다 올게. 아빠랑 맛있는 거 먹고 코 자고 잘 놀고 있어. 알았지? 누나한테 인사해야지. 누나.
이용할 수 있는 시간들을 알려드릴게요.
화장실 어디 있어?
죄송해요.
바보야.
네,
Hi, we just arrived at our hotel. We have a lot to do tomorrow. We need to get vaccinated, and I also need to move into my new apartment. So, good night.
아파?
It's got to go into your shoulder.
Oh, I actually have a
about-
t-shirt
Okay.
underneath.
Just relax that arm as best as you can. Perfect. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too bad.
Thank you. Let me give you a tour of my new apartment. There's a fridge, a kitchen, and then I have this small living space. And there's a wardrobe right here and the bathroom. 뜯어야겠다. 생각에는 들어가.
I lost a piece. I have no idea where it went. It's supposed to go in here, but I'm missing this piece. And I tried to replace it with some other piece, but it just doesn't work.
I'm done, guys. So there's this thing so I can like sit here, do my makeup. I got this one because I don't need to get like the separate mirror for my makeup table. And then I'm gonna put my stuff in here. Yeah, and this wiggly part is the missing part. But it's fine. It kind of looks bland from the outside. I mean, it's still cute, but this just makes it way cuter. I feel like I'm gonna feel cuter whenever I do makeup because of this color. And then this is just like the desk. So I'll put my makeup on here as well. I also need to make my chair. I'm not sure if I'll do that today. I need to put that together like this one and just put it under here. Okay, so let's do this. So I'm almost done putting my stuff together. together. Let me show you around. So that's my curtain, my makeup area, but it's still not really organized. This is my mattress. I also got a full mirror. Oh, I also got a MacBook. As some of you probably know, I broke my laptop. Well, I didn't break it. It just broke. So I got a new gold MacBook Air, and it's so nice. Like, it's so much better than the old MacBook. That's my closet. I got all these like organizing stuff. I also got like a shoe rack. It's so clean. And my vacuum. This is my bathroom. There's a mirror right here. There's also lights. What I love about this bathroom is that this space is very big. So like whenever I want to take bath, I can put like a bunch of stuff on here and then do my things. And for the living room area, we actually need a table. I was thinking to get one here, but then I prefer sitting on the floor, like on my carpet. Like I might just leave this area for now and then get like a coffee table over here so that I can eat and study here. Yeah, I also got a coffee maker, blender. This is like a full house. I think I can afford to have a roommate. That was my house tour. And my mom and I are gonna watch a movie and then just rest for the night. Bye!